All right, so tell me a little bit about this Yago. You've been using Liquid X for 10 months now.
Yep.
What do you think? I mean, you've been using it every day. You guys come back in the yard, you power wash down the rigs. What do you think?
The product is great.
Yeah.
Smells great. You spray it on. You can spray the whole truck down, put the wand down, and then you can just go with the mitt.
Yep.
Or you could do it touchless.
Yeah, so you find that if the truck's not too dirty, you just put it on there and,
Yep.
you know, just as a daily maintenance
Yes.
wash. Because
Yep.
you guys do a good job of keeping up with your stuff.
Yep.
So
Yep.
that makes sense that you'd be able to just use it real quick.
Yep.
But I imagine after a rainstorm or something like
Yes.
that, though, you were mentioning earlier, that's a little bit
Yep.
nastier. You
Obviously,
probably bust
you gotta
out the mitt for
give it a
that.
mitt. Yep.
Yeah, that sounds about right to me.
Yep.
So have you noticed anything with the beading on there? I mean,
beads right off.
helps the water sheet off
Yep.
before it leaves too much drama behind.
Yep.
That's
Yep,
cool.
beads right off.
So you've had this drum in here for, I mean, I delivered that on January the 9th
Yep.
of this year. We're halfway through September. You guys just ordered. You still have this much left in your 55-gallon drum.
Probably what? 7 inches, 8 inches?
I think it's right around here. So I would say this
5
is
inches.
still another 3-4 weeks, easy,
Yep.
of time left before you even need to plug in that one we brought today. So I mean, that's pretty crazy because you guys were going through, I think Chris Davenport was saying over a drum a month
Yep.
beforehand. I think he was spending 500 or so a drum.
Yep.
I think, off the top of my head. It's been a while since we
Yep.
talked about that. So doing the math, I mean, you guys have saved like,
A lot of money.
I mean, the drum of Liquid X is $990.
Yep.
So for that to last almost, well, over 10 months by the time it's actually
Incredible.
empty. So that's the big easy kit for you. That's what it does. I mean, that's what makes it cost effective. So now you have a good quality wash and you're saving $4,000 this year
Yeah.
after
Give or take.
after the foam
Yep,
lance and
probably-
the injector to
probably
use
more.
it.
Yep.
So how about that, man? That's
Yeah.
pretty cool. I'm glad it's
Well,
working
buy
out.
some.
Yeah, I'm glad it's working out. Well, let's get some Liquid X onto this thing. We're going to get a little bit more hydrophobicity onto this truck. We're going to see how it foams up and experience all the nice, wonderful fruit punch smell in the air.
Yes.
And then we'll get some cool footage. Let's
All
get
right,
to
let's
it.
foam it up.
Nice. Yeah, take one. How about that?